Everyone's been unfortunate enough to experience some TMI. You might be out to dinner with a friend or a couple, and one of them might be telling you about their indigestion and flatulence, and you just really don't want to hear about it while you're eating your meal. My name is Paul Solga, Ivy Masters Learning Center at IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 4, Number 5, which reads, which of the following inequalities is equivalent to the inequality above? So first, I'm going to show you the easy way, and the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the TMI. Well, the first thing I think of when I see this is, hey, you can pull out a greatest common factor. What's greatest common factor? It's 3. And if you divide this by 3, what do you get? You get 2. So the answer is probably going to be B. If you divide 9 by 3, what do you get? 3. If you divide 12 by 3, what do you get? 4. The minus sign's the same, greater than sign's the same. Your answer is B. Very quick, easy solution. Now, what's the TMI I was talking about? Well, I'm not going to talk about flatulence, I promise. So the TMI is this. Not necessary for this problem, but it could be really useful for a different question, which is, we would call this standard form of a linear equation. How do you recognize standard form? X comes first, Y comes second. You have a number isolated, and they're all whole numbers. So what do you do when you're in standard form? To convert it to slope-intercept form, where the y is isolated, in the form y equals mx plus b, what most students would do is they'd subtract 6x from both sides and then divide both sides by -9. Not necessary, because you could say this is in the form ax plus by equals c. And then your slope is negative a over b, and your y-intercept is c over b. So if I did need to find the slope from this form, what I could do is negative a over b, which would be negative 6 over negative 9. So I can see I have a slope of positive 2 over 3. And you could take this approach for this question. It's not necessary, but you can see the only slope here that has positive 2 over 3 is also answer choice B. You could also do it for y-intercept. So this is negative a over b, which is your slope. The y-intercept is c over b. And what's your c over b here? It's 12 over negative 9. What would that reduce to? Negative 4 over 3. And once again, looking at the answer choices, you could tell that the y-intercept for answer choice B is negative 4 over 3, none of the others. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty recognizing equivalent equations. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. By the way, if it's equivalent, it means it's the same equation. In other words, you're going to have the same slope and the same y-intercept. That's why you can do that negative a over b stuff, that c over b stuff. Have a great day, everybody.